Hello guys, welcome back to Anup channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's start the video. Today I will show you how you can connect RDP from your Windows 11, right? So let's start. So just you have to go to the first start menu, click on the start menu and search for the RDP, right? RDP. Then you can see on the screen remote desktop connection. Just click on that, right? Simply. Just I have clicked. After that, you need to put the computer IP address, whatever you got after buying the RDP rights from the website, right? So I got my IP address 103.240.91.237. So I have put it over here and simply I will go to connect option, right? After when I click on the connect option, it will come like this to put the credential over here, right? So you need to put first username and then password. So I have already put it the username over here. My username is Anup and now I will put my password, right? So I will simply put my password. I have put in my password, right? After putting password, you can see the option remember me, right? If you click on the remember me option, then it will never ask for the password again, right? Just whenever you click on the RDP option and your IP, then it will directly connect to your RDP remote desktop protocol, right? If you don't click on this, then you need to put every time passwords whenever you connect to this IP, right? So I will put on the remember me option, so I did not need to put every time password, right? And simply click OK, guys. So now you can see my RDP with remote desktop connection is getting connected, right? So we will wait for some minutes or some seconds so it can be connected properly, and you can see the screen. So it's connecting. You can see my remote desktop connection. So it's very simple. If you watch the complete video, then you can easily connect to the RDP, right? So it's taking some minutes. So we need to wait. So you can see now it got connected, right? So like this you can connect, guys. If you like the video, please share and comment on the video how you like. Thank you, guys.